And also, do you remember my dad's cousin Ernie? The one that at like our wedding shower, you and him and my dad, and I forget who else, had some issue with some guy in the parking garage? So his daughter lives in West Windsor, and her daughter goes to High School North.
Yeah, you're always like, let's open the sunroof.
I didn't leave it open. She contacted me the other day. She's like, I'm your second cousin. We live in West Windsor. Like, I'd like to get together, for lunch one day. So that same day, we're gonna meet for lunch. But I was like, that's so cool. And her daughter does synchronized swimming. So she's like, yeah, she goes to High School North. I was like, oh my god, I work across the street. And she went to Dutch Neck. And what's cute is in all the letters that my buddy Spector's husband wrote her, he always says, like, give a kiss to Eleanor, because that was his niece, and Eleanor's cousin Amy's mom.
Giving every combination code names.
Okay, that sounds good. Eggman and Saucy.
So like maybe even more family here.
No matter what you call it,
And it's nice because the Spector side, like,
Lowe's knows to expect the
kind of
unexpected.
faded. Like, people that really keep in touch.
Trusted brands the moment you need them. You don't expect the unexpected. Get what you need when you need it, now at Lowe's.
Alright, I'm gonna change your world. I love to root for great. You wanna root for the underdog. Good luck with that. It doesn't matter how many times I'm right, you'll still argue with me. This is the herd. Bucks up 3-0. James Franklin. Not only is he a great coach, he's an excellent coach. One of the best, but Parker, he needs to win a big game. 0-9 on the road. 3-15 versus AP top 10 teams as Penn State's head coach.
That 0-9, in fairness, he was the underdog in every one of those games. But this is the next step for them. They have separated themselves out from the rest of the conference, Gus. And it's pretty clear. Last year, 11-2 Rose Bowl champs. And now this is their next step. And beating Ohio State. Michigan at home later in the season.
Ding, 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 ding.
Did you tell Daddy about the very first stream we saw yesterday?